Friends, in previous class I had taught you about HCF and LCM and working rule of finding HCF and LCM. For HCF of more than two numbers, the process is first of all find the HCF of any two of the given numbers by continued division method, and then find the HCF of the HCF obtained in step 1 and the third number. Repeat this process with all the given numbers. The last HCF obtained will be the required HCF of given numbers. So here in example 3, find the HCF of example 3, find the HCF of 70, find the HCF of 70, 105 and 175. We are given three numbers and we have to find the HCF of the given number. First of all, we find the HCF of 70 and 105. HCF of 70 and 105 is equal to, by continued division method, at first here 70 is a smaller number and 105 is a greater number. So first of all we divide greater number by a smaller number, 105. Taking question to 1, part 3. Here we see that remainder is 35. We cannot divide it by 70. So 35 is divisor and 70 is dividend. 35 to the 70, so we write 70 under dividend and subtract 0. Hence HCF is equal to 35. HCF of 70 and 105 is equal to 35, and after that now we find the HCF of 35 and 175. Now HCF of 35 and 105, dividing by 35 in 105, 35 3 is 105. So last divisor is 35. Hence the HCF of required HCF बराबर, means required HCF is equal to 35. So if you are given three numbers, to find the HCF, first of all find the HCF of any two given numbers by continued division method, and then find the HCF of the HCF obtained in step 1 and the third number given from given numbers by continued division. Repeat this process till the remainder is 0, and so the last divisor will be the HCF of the given three numbers. In example 5, a fruit vendor has 135 apples, 225 oranges, and 300 mangoes. He wants to put all the fruits in heap of equal numbers. Also, he wants that each heap should have the same type of fruits. What is the maximum number of fruits in a heap? एक फल विक्रेता 135 सेब एक फल विक्रेता के पास 135 सेब, 225 नारंगिया और 300 आम हैं. He wants to put all the fruits in heaps of equal number. वह समान संख्या में, बराबर संख्या में सभी फलों की ढेरी बनाना चाहता है. Also, he wants that each heap should have the same type of fruits. और वह ये भी चाहता है कि प्रत्येक ढेरी में एक ही प्रकार के फल हों. What is the maximum number of fruits in a heap? ढेर में अधिकतम फलों की संख्या कितनी हो सकती है? So to find the maximum number of fruits in a heap is equal to HCF of the given numbers 135, 225 and 225 and 300 and 300. So the maximum number of fruits in a heap is 15. Now, in example 6, find the greatest number which divides 35, 37, 71 and 173, leaving the remainder 3 in each case. To get the remainder 3 in each case, we need to subtract 3 from the given number. Given numbers is equal to example 6. In example 6, find the greatest number which divides to get the remainder to get the remainder 3 in each case. To get the remainder 3 in each case, we subtract 3 from the given numbers. We subtract 3 from the given numbers. So 137 minus 3. So 37 minus 3 is equal to 34, and 71 minus 3. 71 minus 3 is equal to 68, and 173 minus 3 is equal to 170. Now we find the HCF of 34, 68 and 170. Now HCF of 34, 68 and 170 is equal to, dividing by, first of all, we find the HCF of 34 and 68. dividing by 34 in 68, we have 34 2 ja 68. So the HCF is equal to 34. We have learned that if we have three numbers, to find the HCF, first of all find the HCF of two numbers, and after that we find the HCF of the HCF obtained in HCF1. So we find the HCF of 34 and 170. Now at 34, HCF of 34 and 170 is equal to 34 170. If we multiply 34 by 5, we get product is 170. So the required HCF of the given number is equal to 34. Hence the required HCF is equal to 34. So in this way, we can find the HCF of the numbers, more than three numbers, more than two numbers, by continued division method. Now you can try to solve the exercise 7A. I give you task to complete this exercise 7A, and in next class I will solve from exercise 7A. Thank you.